Welcome to another Atlantis Rail video. Today we'll be visiting a cable railing system that has already been installed to do a retensioning of any loose RailEasy tensioners. Retensioning will tighten up any cables that relaxed over time. The only tools you need are these 3 wrenches found in the installation tools: a 3/8 wrench, 5/16 wrench, and 7/16 wrench. The first step is loosening the lock nut on the RailEasy tensioner using the 7/16 wrench. And use the 5/16 wrench to hold the cone in place as you loosen. You can finger thread the bolt the rest of the way. Exposing the threads will allow you to tension the cable. Now rotate the body clockwise while holding the cone in a fixed position to tighten the cable. When the cable has tightened, finger thread lock nut back into place. Use 2 wrenches to tighten the lock nut. Repeat the process following the tensioning order to ensure optimal results. Once tensioning is complete, you can clean your railing system using our Atlantis cleaning tool, cleaning kit, or care kit. Keeping the railing system clean will ensure buildup and discolorations will not occur. Your RailEasy cable railing system is now tensioned and maintained to ensure longevity. For more information on our cable railing systems or to see cleaning tips, visit our website. Thank you for making Atlantis Rail the choice for your view.